Hello guys! In this video, I am going to talk about the derivative. But first, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung nakaraang lesson, make sure na napanood nyo na ang application about the derivatives para mas maintindihan nyo ang topic about dito. In this function, f of x is equal to x squared daw. What if hinahanap yung slope? Where find the slope of x is equal to 2. So, ano daw yung slope if x is equal to 2. So, para mas magets natin, paliwanag natin gamit ang graph. Okay? At ang graph ng x squared is ganito. So, if So, if this is 2, then sa taas niyan is yung y, dito yung x-axis, then dito yung y-axis. So, if x is 2, so f of 2 is equal to 2 raised to 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4. So, yung y natin is 4. So, kung dito yung 2, yung y is 4. So, paano naman yung isa kung wala namang given? So, kung mapapanood natin yung the last video is naglagay tayo nun ng x plus h. Gagawin lang natin, kakapin natin itong 2, then 2 plus h. So, yung point dito is 2, 4. Dito naman is 2 plus h. Sa taas niyan is f of x plus h. Bakit f of 2 plus h? Bakit naging f of 2 plus h? Kasi 2 plus h, nilagay lang natin dito. Then f of 2 plus h squared siya. Kasi merong squared dito. Kaya 2 plus h dito, f plus 2 plus h. So, ano ba yung formula ng slope? Slope is change of y over change of x. So, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, this is yung isang point, then dito yung isang point. Hinahanap natin yung slope niyan. So, ano ba yung unang point? Yung unang point is 2, 4. Then, yung isang point is 2 plus h, then 2 plus h squared. So, this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1, this is x sub 2, this is y sub 2. Then, kung ano yung nandito is ilalagay lang natin siya dito kung ano yung naka-assign. So, yung y sub 2 daw is 2 plus h squared minus 4, which is yung y sub 1, all over 2 plus h minus 2. Then, sagutan lang natin siya is 2 plus h squared is the same thing as 2 plus h times 2 plus h. Then, gamitan natin siya ng FOIL method. First term to the first term is 4. Then, inner to inner plus 2h. Then, outer to outer plus 2h. Plus last term to last term is h squared. So, ang value nito is 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 4h plus h squared minus 4 over 2 minus 2 is 0. So, mawawala to. Then, ang matitira na lang is h. Then, 4 minus 4 is makakancel dahil 4 minus 4 is 0. Ang matitira na lang is 4h plus h squared over h. Then, since yung h, meron siyang h, ipa-factored out lang natin itong h, mapupunta siya dito. Then, ang mangyayari is h quantity of 4 plus h over h. Then, since may h sa taas, may h sa baba, pwede natin siyang i-cancel. Ang matitira na lang is 4 plus h. And sabi, as closer to closer, gagamitan natin siya ng limits. So, the limits such as 4 plus h is h, such as h approaches 0, then, yung h, substitute lang natin siya ng 0, then, 4 plus 0, then, ang kanyang derivatives is 4. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang point natin is 2, 4, kung ito ang point, ang slope niya is 4. So, ang slope natin is 4. At ito, ang slope ng x squared if x is equal to 2. Now, paano naman kapag f of x is equal to x squared na kung saan walang slope na hinahanap? Paano natin malalaman ang kanyang derivatives? So, babalikan lang natin yung formula pagdating dito sa derivative. So, yung limit siya of f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches 0. Yung limit na yan is, ayan yung hinahanap natin ang derivative as closer para makuha natin ang kanyang slope. Tinatawag din siyang instantaneous change. Now, ito rin ay tinatawag na f prime of x. So, itong f prime of x, ito yung ginagamit na pag-symbol natin para malaman kung derivative siya. So, f prime of x or dy or dx or derivative of y with respect to x, or yung isa naman is yung y na may tuldok sa taas. Pero kadalasan ang ginagamit is f prime of x dy over dx. Halos sila dalawa yung madalas na ginagamit. So now, paano naman kapag ganito? Wala siyang slope na binigay. Walang x is equal to 3 or ganyan-ganyan. So, pwede natin siyang manumanuhin. So, 0 to. So, substitute lang natin siya. So, f of x plus h squared, dahil may squared dito, minus f of x squared all over h. Then, x plus h squared is same thing as x plus h times x plus h. Then, first term to the first term is x squared. Then, inner to the inner is xh plus xh. Then, outer to outer is, last term to last term pala, is h squared. So, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So, ang value niya dito is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared over h. Then, x squared minus x squared is maka-cancel out. Then, ang matitira na lang is 2xh plus h squared over h. Then, yung h, since may h dito parehas, factor out natin siya. Though, ang mangyari is h, then 2x, kasi kinuha natin siya, plus yung h squared, babawasan ng isa, magiging h na lang. So, over h. Then, yung h, since meron sa taas, meron sa baba, pwede natin cancel. Ang matitira na lang is the limit. So, copyhin lang natin ito. Then, 2x plus h as h approaches 0 is 2x plus h. So, yung h dito is 0. Then, substitute natin dito yung sa h. Then, ang mangyayari, 2x plus 0. Kasi nga, yung h daw is value niya is 0. So, ang matitira is 2x. So, yung f prime of x is equal to 2x. So, ayan yung kanyang derivatives. Now, ito yung application pagdating dito sa derivatives. Ito yung slope niya. Ngayon, kung ang value ko na if x is 1. So, if x is 1, then 2 times 1 is 2. Then, yung slope niya is 2. Then, if x ang value is, let's say, 5,25. Then, anong slope ng 5? So, times na natin, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Ito na yung kanyang slope. Pero, pagdating mo dito, mapapansin mo dito, yung derivatives niya is 2x. Sobrang napakahaba ng solution yan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, x squared. Then, ang gagawin nyo lang naman dyan is 2, ilalagay nyo dito sa unahan, magiging 2x. Then, ito, ma-minus mo sa 1, then, matitira na lang 1. Then, f prime of x is equal to 2x. So, ganyan lang naman pala yung gagawin. Bakit ang haba-haba pa? So, in this technique, ipapaliwanag natin is patungkol naman sa power rule na kung saan itong x squared, so x squared, ang derivatives niyan is 2x. So, kung x cube, ang derivative niyan is 3, ilalagay natin sa unahan, magiging 3x, then minus 1 is 3x squared. Na kung saan, hindi na natin kailangan gamitin yung pagkahaba-haba na itong formula na kaya lang rin naman palang gamitin pagdating sa gantong technique. And this is called a power rule. And that's all.